Hi there, and welcome to your DBMMS.io StudioSuite account. StudioSuite comes with the SuiteMenu interface as well as your selection from our growing collection of predefined Google sales and marketing reports like Google Analytics, Search Console, YouTube Video, Google Ads, Bing Ads, social media, MailChimp, etc. You can connect to your Google Analytics account and your other data sources right out of the box with our predefined templates, and we'll even help advise you on connecting them, keeping them connected, and giving you a crash course on how to do the edits of the Data Studio reports yourself, which is really easy to do. Google has made a great product here for us to use. What I wanted to show you in the video today is features that are on all the Data Studio reports that we do. The date range pull down allows you to select from a default set of date ranges, or you can also select the range yourself and apply it. Now the data with all Data Studio reports, it's live 24/7, so it'll refactor itself according to the date that you select. In this case, the comparison to the prior period is what we want in Google AdWords. Sometimes there's different comparisons that we'll use, and these numbers that are in the bottom parts of these status boxes kind of indicate what the trend is from one period to the next. As you can see in this period, our impressions are up by 25%, our clicks are up by 284%, and our click-through rate is up 65%. Actually, this is a pretty good run rate for the click performance, so this is a great campaign. Now, it doesn't give you all the data that you'd see in AdWords. We still go into AdWords directly to do a lot of the management, and we still get under the hood and look at a whole bunch of different data. But as a quick analysis for all the team to look at, this is a great way to look at things. The other filters that we have are these pull downs to filter the type of information that we're seeing. If we just wanted to see what the performance was for these AdWords on just mobile devices, I could deselect the other two, and now this is the same data that's coming to me for my mobile devices. And we can do that for whatever filters that are on each type of Data Studio report. They'd be different on each type, but this gives you an idea of how they kind of work. All the data that you see here is interactive. We can hover over data points to see what they are. We can go to a table and search by clicking on the heading and sort the tables. On tables that have a lot of terms, you can scroll through them all like just by scrolling right on the table. And you can see we've got a 100 out of 153, so I'd have to scroll over to see the other set of data. If we want to see the data a bit better, anytime you see these three little dots, that means I can download the data that comes from that table. I can export to sheets, and then I can do further analysis if I need to. So the Data Studio reports, it's a one-page idea that tells you the whole story from a team perspective. If you want to talk to your boss, you want to talk to your team members, you want to talk to your vendors who are managing your PPC ads, this is a great way to give it a single source of truth for yourselves. I hope you're super productive with StudioSuite, and thanks very much.